Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you the 4 loose pigments that I recently purchased from Glowmiere Beauty. So I purchased 4 loose pigments guys, and they were so mesmerizing and I couldn't resist. So the shades that I purchased were Candy, Aquamarine, Rainbow and Galaxy. So if you want to see my looks using 4 different loose pigments, please keep on watching. So to start with, I want to tell you that I've done my brows off camera, and now we are going to do our eyes because I know we are going to use loose pigment and that will have a lot of fallout on the rest of our face, and if we had done our base makeup we would have spoiled it, and hence I'm going to do my eyes first. And for that I'm going to start applying a concealer today, and you can also use an eyeshadow base, but today I'm going to apply a concealer all over my eyelids because I do see my veins on my eyelids and I want a flawless looking eye, so I'm going to apply a concealer. Then with the brush I'm going to just blend everything out, making sure that it's evenly applied all over my eyelid. And then to set my eyelid, I'm going to take the Rimmel Stay Matte pressed powder and I'm going to apply it all over our eyelid so that our eyelid does not crease. This is how the loose pigment comes in. I ordered for 4 different colors and this is how it came in, and it is pretty easy to open the package as you just have to rip off the top part of the lock packet and then you can remove the loose pigment extremely easily. To apply this loose pigment, I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelid. And the way I'm applying it is, first I'm pressing it and then just swiping it to get the maximum pigmentation and the golden sheen and 2 different color effects from this pigment. I'm starting from the centers of the lid and then moving to the inner corners, going all the way up to my natural crease. As you can see, I'm building the intensity by taking the pigment little by little. Then I'm creating an extended wing and joining it to the lower lash line, just to give it extra dramatic eye look. This color is gorgeous guys. It has a green base with a blue finish to it with golden sheen, and it looks extremely glamorous. Do you guys see how much fallout I am getting? And that is the reason I did not do my base makeup before I went on to my eyes. Now to sharpen the edges of my eyes, I'm going to take a flat brush and some micellar water and I'm going to clean off the corners. And that's how easy it was, and now I'm going to clean up the fallout under my eyes. Now as I want my eyes to stand out, I'm not going to do anything else apart from wearing mascara and a pair of falsies, and the mascara that I'll be wearing today is from Maybelline and this is the Hyper Curl. And the lashes that I will be wearing today are also from Glowmiere Beauty and these are called Expensive. For this look, I have done the rest of my face off camera and I've also applied a little bit loose powder under my eyes so that if I have any fallout, which I know I will just take a brush and clean it off. The shade that I'm applying now is called Galaxy and it's a beautiful purple base with a blue touch to it and a soft pink finish. Just like the previous shade, I'm going to create another dramatic eye, but I found out that unlike the previous shade, I had to tap this pigment to get the maximum pigmentation and the duochrome effect from this shade. And now I'm going to dust off the loose powder under my eyes, wear some mascara and a pair of false lashes, and I will show you my final look. For this look, I've done the rest of my face off camera and I've also applied some loose powder under my eyes, and you guys know the reason why I have done that, so that I can just clean it off with a brush if any fallout happens from the loose pigment. And for this look, I'm going to use the shade Rainbow. This is a beautiful olive green color guys, and it has a maroon finish to it with a golden sheen, and I love this color guys. It is just complementing my eyes so much. I am literally in love with all the pigments from this brand. And to finish off my look, I'm going to wear a pair of false lashes, apply some mascara, and also dust off the loose powder under my eyes. Just like the other shades, I'm applying the color Candy on my eyes to create a dramatic look. This is a beautiful deep dusty pink color with a grey finish to it. So if you don't like to experiment too much with colors, you will love this shade. These were my looks using 4 different loose pigments from Glowmiere Beauty. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you liked all the looks. Please do let me know in the comment section down below which loose pigment was your favorite. Please also take a moment to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because this video did take some effort and time, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and thank you so much for watching.